Hi, I'm Chet Vogel with the OLLI Berkshire Music School Cabaret Workshop. Today I'm going to sing for you an old favorite of mine that I sing frequently with my family called I'm My Own Grandpa. I hope you enjoy it. Many years ago, when I was 23, I got married to a widow who was pretty as could be. This widow had a grown-up daughter who had hair of red. My father fell in love with her, and soon the two were wed. This made my dad my son-in-law, and really changed my life, for my daughter was my mother, 'cause she was my father's wife. To complicate the matters, even though it brought me joy, I soon became the father of a bouncing baby boy. My little boy then became a brother-in-law to Dad, and so became my uncle, though it made me very sad. For if he was my uncle, then he also was a brother to the widow's grown-up daughter, who of course was my stepmother. My father's wife then had a son that kept me on the run, and he became my grandchild, for he was my daughter's son. My wife is now my mother's mother, and it makes me blue, because although she is my wife, she's my grandmother too. Now if my wife is my grandmother, then I am her grandchild, and every time I think of it, it really drives me wild. For now I have become the strangest case you ever saw. As husband of my grandmother, I am my own grandpa. I'm my own grandpa. I'm my own grandpa. It sounds funny, I know, but it really is so. Oh, I'm my own grandpa. I'm my own grandpa. I'm my own grandpa. It sounds funny, I know, but it really is so. Oh, I'm my own grandpa. Thank you very much.